Hi, my name is Elias. I'm the photographer at the Dogist, and I'm sharing 5 tips for dog photography. Tip number 1 is to find a dog, and that means you have to get off your butt, go outside, go talk to someone who's got a dog, and ask them if you can photograph their dog. You'd be surprised how hard that is for some people to do. Tip number 2 is to have a camera that is fast enough to focus with the dog. So, you're looking for that sharp shot. You need like a fast, I shoot with a mirrorless Nikon, but a lot of cameras will do it. Even an iPhone, just a camera that will focus on the dog. So it's definitely important to have a fast camera, but a fast lens as well. I shoot mostly prime lenses that you can, open them up and they let a lot of light in. And you also get that sort of cool, shallow depth of field, bokeh aesthetic that really, puts your focus on your subject. Instead of all the other things going around in New York, you can sort of isolate, and it's very artistic looking. Tip number 3 is to get down on the dog's level. You don't want to be up here shooting down the dog. You want to crouch down. I wear knee pads sometimes. Today's a hot day, so I left them at home. But you want to get down and photograph the dog from their level so it shows them in a sort of regal, nice way. Tip number 4 is to have something they want, whether that's a squeaky ball or a dog treat. Here's a squeaky ball or a dog treat. And you can see this dog already, it's already working. And that will get you their attention. The dog will look at you, and that's sort of my signature is this strong eye contact. So it feels like the dog knows that they're having their picture taken. If I'm looking like this, you can tell that I'm not really looking, versus this. It makes all the difference. Tip number 5 is to take lots of dog pictures, because a lot of the dog is moving around, pictures might not be so good. You gotta get lucky a little bit and get different angles. You get headshot, you get the full body. If the person's like kind of interesting looking, then try and get them in the frame. And if you have a second camera, a different lens, it's nice to mix that up. I like to shoot like an 85, nice compressed lens, and then an ultra wide, 14 to 24, so that you get like that really goofy perspective right in the dog's face, and you get that sort of stately, very compressed, flattering picture as well. I hope these tips helped. I hope that you get the best shot of your best friend. And you can follow me at the Dogist on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Tumblr, TikTok, Dogist.com, all the things. All right, there's a dog, gotta go.